Welcome to the Skyldana Luxury House in the USA. In this tour, we'll walk you through every part of the home, from the entrance to the backyard, so you can see what makes this property special. This house is built with modern design, comfortable interiors, and lifestyle features that make living here very easy and enjoyable. As you arrive at the property, you'll notice the clean modern lines of the architecture. The exterior is made with stone, glass, and wood, giving it a simple but elegant look. The driveway is wide and leads you directly to the main entrance. Around the house, you'll see palm trees, green landscaping, and an overall peaceful environment. The design of the outside already tells you that this home is about comfort and style. Entering the house, you step into an open space with high ceilings. The living room is large, with big glass windows that bring in natural light. You can look outside and enjoy the garden and pool views without even leaving the room. The furniture is simple, modern, and arranged in a way that makes the space comfortable for both family time and guests. The walls are kept in neutral colors to give a clean and calm atmosphere. Next is the kitchen, which is fully equipped with modern appliances. There is a big island in the center, which can be used for cooking or as a breakfast spot. The cabinets are sleek and provide a lot of storage. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area. It is designed for family meals or hosting dinners. The open layout connects the kitchen and dining area with the living room, making the whole space feel connected. The bedrooms in this house are designed for comfort. Each room has enough space, large windows, and built-in storage. The master bedroom is especially large, with a private balcony that looks over the backyard and pool. The attached bathroom has a shower, a bathtub, and 2 sinks. The design is simple, clean, and practical. Other bedrooms also come with their own bathrooms and closets, giving everyone in the house privacy and comfort. The bathrooms are modern with good quality fittings. The tiles are simple but elegant. Each bathroom has a shower, and some have bathtubs as well. The mirrors and lighting are set up to give a bright and clear look. Everything here is designed for daily use with ease. This home also comes with extra rooms that can be used as an office, a gym, or a media room. There is a space designed as a home theater, where you can watch movies with family and friends. The gym area is big enough for equipment and has good ventilation. If you work from home, the office space is quiet and separate, giving you privacy to focus on your work. One of the main highlights of this house is the backyard. It has a large swimming pool surrounded by a deck. There is space for chairs and tables, so you can relax by the pool. The outdoor area also includes a small kitchen setup and a barbecue area, making it perfect for family gatherings and parties. The green landscaping around the backyard adds privacy and makes it feel like a personal resort. The garage is big enough for multiple cars and also has storage space. The laundry room is separate and designed with enough room for machines and cabinets. These utility spaces are built to make daily chores easier and more organized. The Skyldana Luxury USA House is a mix of modern design and practical living. From the spacious living areas and bedrooms, to the outdoor pool and entertainment spaces, this home has everything you need for a comfortable lifestyle. The design is simple, the spaces are open, and every part of the house is built to give both style and convenience. Thank you for joining this tour of the Skyldana Luxury House.